Welcome to Weekly Rewind. This week I stayed close to home for my wanderings. I enjoyed watching the Canada geese at Woods Edge Park and saw a life bird there. Keep watching to see it and other waterfowl. The second half of the video features a few woodpeckers spotted at Knoll Dorwart Park. I hope you enjoy watching this video highlighting my treks. Thanks for supporting my channel. Don't forget to let me know if you have a favorite part of this video. Did you see any interesting wildlife this week? Is there any wildlife in this video that you'd like to learn more about? Don't forget to let me know in the comment section. I've included links to videos from my archives that I think you'll enjoy. Be sure to check them out if you have the time. Thanks for watching.